How to fix DaVinci AI Image Generator app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Is your DaVinci app not working and crashing or giving you errors time and again whenever you try to use it? This is what you'll have to do. So first thing that you might want to do is make sure that you have good internet connection. If your Wi-Fi does not work, you can use your cellular data as well. After you've done that and made sure that network is not an issue and it still does not work, what you might want to do is go to your settings and come to your iPhone storage. If you don't know how to come to iPhone storage, let's just go a few steps back. So after you're on your settings, go to general and there you'll find iPhone storage right here. Tap on it. Now here you can see DaVinci. Open DaVinci app, you can search for it. And right here you'll see the offload app. Tap on offload app and offload the app completely. After you've completely offloaded the app, tap on reinstall app and then start the reinstallation. So what this does is this app simply clears out the cache from this very app, and after the cache is cleared, your app will get downloaded. Then you can start using it and that should fix the problem. If not, in case that does not fix your problem, go to App Store, search for DaVinci that you were using, DaVinci Resolve AI Image Generator, this one right here. And if you see an update available, since it's downloading just now, if you see an update right here, tap on update and update the app, and that should fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and